Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be hauling some logs this week, and I'm going to make a video about that. But before I can haul logs, I got to get the truck set up ready to go, and I figured I'd make a video of that process so you can see how that works. So this is my lumber truck. It's a 2000 International. She's not pretty, she's not fast, but she gets the job done. It's been a pretty reliable truck for quite a while for me. This is the setup I use most of the time, just a regular flatbed. That should be pretty straightforward to figure out how we haul lumber with that, just with some blocks and load it with the forklift. Pretty common, everybody's seen that before. Some of you probably just saw that big orange thing there and know exactly what that is, but there's probably a bunch of people that have no idea what that is. So that's why I figured I'd make this video, show you how we haul logs with this thing. So the first thing I got to do is put the log bunks on. The log bunks I made myself. This whole truck I pretty much made myself. Bought it as a flatbed. I mounted the crane myself, did the power takeoff, ended up changing this bed. This is an original. Welded up the log bunks, fabbed up the grapple you're about to see. So like most of the junk around here, it's homemade, but it works pretty good for me. So let me get these log bunks on. They are as heavy as they look. Probably heavier because they're sleeved inside with steel, so it's double layer of steel. They just sit in our stake pockets. They can't really go anywhere once there's a load on them, but I strap them down here. Probably have to get more straps. I don't think I have enough in the box here. Got enough to get started. I actually have one. I must have stolen for something else. Have to rob some straps. The next thing that goes on are the log stakes. Just drop down into the pocket. See if we can put one of these in one-handed. Be my workout for the day. Nope. Not happening. All right, so we got our 4 stakes in. That was the heavy lifting part. Not too bad. Now, we'll hook up the grapple. I'll show you how that all works. Roll down the window. It's pretty hot. No air conditioning in this truck. I bought it with this custom steering wheel cover on. I don't think it's factory original electrical tape, but it's actually not the worst thing in the world. turns into a transformer at this point. Put your stabilizers down. You can run the controls from either side of the truck, but you have to walk around to both sides to do the stabilizers. Down here, try to get you a good view, and I'll unfold this. Sorry about that, I bumped the stake you were sitting on there. So that's what we got. We're set up to haul logs now. I'm sure some of you guys, this is not groundbreaking at all. Other people say that's pretty neat how you can go from a flatbed to a truck that can self-load like that. This grapple was a Craigslist find. Got it out of a guy's backyard. It may possibly be the first grapple ever invented. It's rough. It's a little bit ridiculous, but it works. When I first started with this crane, I used a pair of log tongs that you just basically hook into they have points on them, and they just kind of pinch into the log, and just the pressure of pulling pulls them tight. Well, for those of you that have ever used them, one log slipping out of the tongs is enough to make you never want to do that again. So then I found this grapple, and I actually had to, this crane, this is a high-up crane, had one extra remote hydraulic spool. So then I put in this diverter on the grapple that allows me to use a rotator to spin the grapple and open and close it to pinch. So I have both functions that way. I actually have to replace a broken wire here. I'm going to do that before we head out to haul logs, but there won't be anything exciting there, so I'll spare you the boringness of, yeah, that's a good word, boringness of doing that. But otherwise, I just strap the grapple down, make sure we got everything else we need. And the next video, we'll be out fetching some logs. I'll take you along for a ride there and check that out. I bought some walnut logs sight unseen, so that's always interesting. We don't know where we're headed, what kind of terrain we're going in, what we're picking up till we actually get there. So that's always interesting. So we'll see what that's like in the next video. So like I said, it's not the biggest truck in the world. If I was a full-time logger, it wouldn't do the job, but being that I haul lumber most of the time, and it allows me the opportunity when somebody calls and says, hey, I have these logs, I have a couple walnut logs, or whatever the case may be, you know, some specialty stuff, that it's not worth hiring somebody to truck it for you. It just gives me a lot of flexibility. So it's been a good truck to me. It's never let me down. I probably shouldn't say that, because you know what's going to happen. The next video is going to be me on the side of the road with this truck. But yeah, knock on wood, hopefully she stays reliable and we'll have a good video hauling some walnut logs. So I'll catch you on the next one. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And I appreciate you watching, and we'll keep making them. Thank you.